Hello. Are you over 50 and thinking it's too late to start a new career? Think again. Imagine earning a steady income with flexible hours, all while using your life experiences to help others in the booming Texas real estate market. Today, I'm going to show you how becoming a loan signing agent can open the door to a fulfilling and lucrative career no matter your age. Welcome back to the channel. If you're over 50 and looking for a flexible, rewarding career, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a fantastic opportunity that could be perfect for you becoming a Texas loan signing agent. Whether you're thinking about a side hustle or a complete career change, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Imagine a job where you control your schedule, meet interesting people, and make a real difference in the real estate market, all without the physical demands of a traditional job. Sounds great, right? Well, becoming a loan signing agent might just be the perfect fit for you. In this video, I'll break down what a loan signing agent does, why Texas is a great place to get started, and how you can make this career your own, even if you're new to the field. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a loan signing agent? In simple terms, a loan signing agent is a notary public who specializes in handling and notarizing loan documents during real estate transactions. You're the final step before the deal is sealed, literally. This role is crucial because you ensure that all the paperwork is properly signed, dated, and notarized. Without you, the transaction couldn't move forward. And the best part, it's a job that doesn't require a degree or years of experience, making it an ideal option for those of us looking for a new career later in life. And I just want to say here that the reason why I keep emphasizing later in life is because when I first started doing this, I started later in life. I started when I was in my early 50s. And I tell you, it was so much fun and rewarding at the same time. So that's why I'm so adamant about sharing it with other people in this great state of Texas. Okay, so for those of us over 50, the benefits are clear. You get the flexibility to work when you want, where you want, and as much as you want. Plus, it's a role that relies on attention to detail and communication skills. Things that, let's be honest, only get better with age. Now, why become a loan signing agent in Texas? Now, why would you consider becoming a loan signing agent in Texas? Well, Texas has one of the fastest growing real estate markets in the country, with more people moving to Texas every year. The demand for loan signing agents is on the rise. Plus, Texas has a relatively straightforward legal framework when it comes to becoming a notary public and a loan signing agent. This means you can get up and running without jumping through too many hoops. And let's not forget, the Lone Star State is huge. So there's plenty of business to go around. And I know a lot of times people will say that the market is saturated, but if you are a professional individual that knows what you're doing, that learns your craft inside and out, you are going to stand out and you will always have plenty of work. You do not have to worry about a saturated market because if you're a professional, you pay attention to detail, you're always on time, you dress professional, you handle your customers in a professional manner, and the hiring parties in a professional manner, you will be super busy. I guarantee that because you are going to become the go-to person for that area. Because yes, there are a lot of signing agents out there right now, but there are a lot that aren't very professional. You have some that are extremely professional, and those are the successful ones because those are the ones that keep getting the repeat business. So please don't buy into the market is saturated hype. Focus on being the best that you can be at doing this. And I guarantee you, you will go far. Steps to becoming a loan signing agent in Texas. So you ready to get started? Here's how you become a Texas loan signing agent in just a few steps. You become a Texas Notary Public. In order to do that, you must meet the eligibility requirements. Meet basic requirements. First, you need to meet some basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, a legal resident of Texas, and have no felony convictions. This is easy enough, right? For more information on becoming a Texas Notary Public, please see my YouTube video on how to become a Texas Notary Public. I have a link in the description below. If you have found any of the information in this video helpful so far, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more notary tips and guides. Okay, now let's look at step number 2. Get trained. While formal education isn't required, training is crucial. There are many online courses and local classes designed specifically to help you learn the ropes. If you're over 50, look for programs that offer more personalized support and resources, like the courses we offer at the Texas Notary Public Professional Training Academy. We offer all the courses you need to get started, and everything can be done online. There's a link to our training academy in the description below. Also, please take a look at our YouTube channel for our student testimonials. Step 3, obtain your certification. So next you'll need to get certified. Now, in Texas, becoming a notary public is your first step. After that, consider getting certified through the National Notary Association, which adds credibility and opens up more opportunity. So you don't have to get certified, but as a new person entering this field, I highly encourage you to go ahead and get certified. That way it adds credibility to your listing as a loan signing agent. The fact that you went that extra step to get that certification through the National Notary Association. And I am including a link to the National Notary Association's loan signing agent certification in the description below. Step 4, purchase your equipment and supplies. You'll need some basic equipment like a dual tray laser printer, a high quality scanner, and of course your notary sealing journal. Don't worry, you don't have to break the bank. There are budget-friendly options available, and you can even find senior discounts at some retailers. I do have some affiliate links in the description to printers and scanners on Amazon. I also have a link to the American Association of Notaries where you can order your notary supplies. Affiliate, nor am I sponsored by the American Association of Notaries. I just like to use them because the quality of the supplies are good and I always receive them in a timely manner. I do know the owner and have done some work for him in the past. I used to write articles for the organization, and I have worked on some of their state training. Step 5, build your business. Finally, it's time to build your business. Create a professional image with business cards, a website, and a social media presence. Networking is key. Reach out to real estate agents, mortgage brokers, and title companies. And don't be shy about leveraging your life experience. Your maturity and reliability are huge selling points in this business. I also encourage you to join some notary organizations and find a mentor. Having the proper guidance through this journey will make the experience so much more productive for you and help you stay on the right path. We also offer group mentoring through our Texas Notary Patron Learning Community. There is a link to more information about our community in the description below. Overcoming common challenges for the 50 plus crowd. Now, let's address a few common challenges you might face if you're over 50 and thinking about becoming a loan signing agent. First up is the technology barriers. If you're not a tech whiz, don't worry. Many platforms used by loan signing agents are designed to be user friendly. Even if you're not super tech savvy, take the time to get comfortable with the electronic signatures, online document management, and even basic software like Word and Excel and Adobe Acrobat. You're going to use Adobe quite a bit because a lot of the documents that are going to be sent to you are going to be in PDF format. So if you're pretty familiar with using Adobe Acrobat, that's going to be very helpful for you. And there are plenty of tutorials out there to help you along the way. Next, health and mobility concerns. If you have any physical limitations, remember that this job isn't physically demanding. Most of the work is done at a desk or in the comfort of your home. And for client meetings, you can always arrange them at a convenient location. Just be sure to pace yourself and maintain a healthy work-life balance. So there you have it, a complete guide to becoming a Texas loan signing agent, tailored just for you. If you're ready to take the next step, why not start today? The journey might be new, but remember, age is just a number. Your experience and skills are invaluable assets in this line of work. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.